Hello everyone, I'm gonna present the Baldridge National Quality Award application for canola oil. My name is Luz Moreno and this is a project for a quality management program at University of Manitoba. Baldridge criteria are 7: leadership, strategy, customer, workforce, operation, results, and they are depend on measurement analysis and knowledge management according to the core values in the organization. Leadership system. Organizational vision and value has to satisfy customers, engage employees, enrich community, and provide safe environment. The management is integrated by a senior leadership team, SLT, that is integrated by a senior leaders to review a strategic process. Senior management team is integrated by 46 managers and altogether review the vision and value in the organization. Strategy. Planning process. It is divided in two, that is the long-term strategy review and the short-term annual business planning. This strategy will change according to business environment, and there are going to be 3 conditions that the organization has to face: continue with the current strategy, updating current strategy, or design a new strategic plan. Strategic objective. This is the action plan. It explains how to keep on track towards the organization objective and goals based on metrics. The metrics for customer satisfaction, quality index, customer satisfaction index, reduction on rework, empowered employees, safety records to 0 injuries, professional development opportunities, and initiative score, environmental engagement, reduction of waste, treatment for wastewater and projects, contribution in communities, profitability, reduction of management cost, improvement plans, implementation reports on efficiency, and saving plans score. Customer focus. In order to determine customer satisfaction, we have 5 metrics: voice of the customer, process for listening to customers and determine their satisfaction. Canola Oil Company uses the following technique: online survey and interviews evaluation system. Analytic hierarchy process is a flexible decision-making process. It has the ability to help decision makers to set priorities and implement best option. Customer engagement. The software analyzes the impact of capability within the company using the customer segmentation and the analytic hierarchy process. It applies the root cause analysis and corrective actions. Complaint management system gathers all information about product failure and service problems. Customer satisfaction and loyalty. Canola Oil Company uses Net Promoter Score as a customer loyalty metric. Measurement analysis and knowledge management. Measurements. Key performance indicator. It gives metric for plan improvement, other than cost reduction, standardized global operation reporting for benchmarking plan to drive productivity improvement around the process. Function. Efficiency. Employees' performance. Compliance performance. Budget planned projects into a CAPEX. Quality management performance. Maintenance and process performance. Six Sigma. We apply the make process that is define area for improvement, measure experimental conditions, analysis opportunity for improvement along the process, cause and effect diagram, improve applying changes, and control monitoring effectiveness of changes. A statistical approach to to process is part of the function, and analysis of the cost and efficiency of the process based on data collection, improvement, implementation. Identification of areas for improvement along the process, and management system for edible canola oil. Electronic data interface. This provides the most efficient and effective customer service. Apply for customers on all US and Canada. Documents include purchase orders, shipment notifications, and customer invoices. The function. Review by a continuous improvement project team that include representatives from oil and milling sales, canola oil business, support and accounts receivable, and IT. Workforce. In the workforce, we have environment. We need to analyze the capability and capacity. Capability is the ability to build and sustain relationships with customers, to innovate and transition to new technologies. Capacity refers to the organization's ability to ensure sufficient staffing levels to accomplish work process. We have from technical, operational, systemic, adaptive, and influencing. Workforce engagement is integrated by coaching, that is support employees and operations. Root cause analysis meeting, which helps to increase the empowerment in employees. Work and job design, which is the designation of responsibilities, and all those together are evaluated and use a metric, has the voice of the employee, in which results in increment on productivity and high performance. The job design diagram for canola oil workforce, it shows the main characteristics on job design, task identity, skill variety, autonomy, and feedback from employees. Operations. In operations, we have the work system that is shows the process design from customer generate the purchase, and then goes to procurement, and the procurement production, which we have controls along the process to make sure the quality of the product, and then logistic that makes sure the product goes to the customer. Process management shows the level of process management based on proactive indicators to minimize possible recalls as a final outcomes. In the proactive indicators, we have internal audits, toolbox stock, and training. Compliance, regulatory audits, certifications, and customer audits. And price of non-conformance to avoid complaints and recalls. Continuous improvement. The type of a continuous improvement we have is a complaint system assessment. In planning, we have customer surveys, complaint system applied to customers in all US and Canada. Execution of the plan, online surveys, and complaint department operated on network basis for faster response. Assessment of progress, metric system on customer satisfaction, and revision of plan and revision on daily basis. The other type of improvement, we have monitoring quality near infrared, which we use technology, internal audit, employees training, and daily meetings. Operational effectiveness. It evaluates how the organization does the supply chain cost and safety control. We have here an example on the process, that is the crude oil, bleach oil, and refined oil. The parameters are monitored using technology, that is the method, And the process owner is the operators, supervisor, quality assurance department, and management. Results. One of the results that I would like to show is the house of the quality. This is the relationship on the what and how. So our what is going to be the customer service, healthiness, packaging, transportation, and safety. How we make sure we comply with all those what's. This is the offer system for products, customer service system, quality assurance testing, solvent extraction, refining using deodorizer, pre-approved package design, monitoring labels, scheduling system, SAP system, SAP billing, and HACCP plan. Extraction operational reliability effectiveness rate. In the Y, we have the rate in percentage and production rate per week in the X's. This rate was obtained as a ratio between the actual production and commercial demand. Operation effectiveness has increased after improvements were applied, which is the BR04DI. That was the moment when the improvements were implemented, reaching the world-class rate after 3 weeks and exceeding the canola oil company goal. Customer Quality Index. In the Y shows the quality index rate, and the X's shows the customer satisfaction measured per week. The optimization of monitoring process using NIR nanotechnology, implementation in refinery process, and the expansion on storage blending tank has increased the effectiveness of the process. Logistics has increased staff members to maximize the coverage in production during after hours. So the customer service is covered in 24 hours and 7 days a week. Malcolm Baldridge Quality Hour was established by U.S. Congress in 1987 to raise awareness of quality management and recognize companies that have successfully implemented management. The improvements implemented on service and operations have to be monitored using metrics and continuous improvement. Quality management system must be analyzed to ensure customer focus.